So we know that asking better questions leads to higher productivity, critical thinking, and better output. But how do we ask better questions? How do we come up with the ideas and the ways in order to move our teams forward so that they're able to produce and apply what they've learned in the best way possible? It's actually something that we kind of take for granted because asking questions seems like something that we can just do off the top of our head. But we know when we ask better questions, we have better answers and we have better ways to solve problems. So this is where our critical thinking comes in. And if we can help support our team and broaden them by asking just the right questions, then we know we have a better chance of coming up with better ideas, greater output, and in some ways working faster, more efficiently, and even moving the team forward in a way that we all really want. So there was a Google study that was done that showed managers that were highly effective and more productive asked more questions. And where some of us kind of stop at asking maybe 3 or 4 questions, highly effective managers ask anywhere between 7 to 10 questions. So this is asking more questions so we really can kind of get to the heart of what it is that we know moves the work forward. In asking more questions, we kind of don't stop at just the few questions that are at the forefront, but it gives ourselves the time in order to think of what the questions are that we really need to ask in order to move the team forward, in order to move the project forward, and what questions we can ask that can broaden our team. So, join me on our YouTube channel as we talk about a few tips on how we can ask better questions.